Babka. Polish Easter bread. A bread from Poland. Serves 4. You will need 20 ingredients. Step 1. Place yeast in a small bowl and pour warm water over it. Stir with a spoon to break up the yeast. Set aside for 2 to 3 minutes. Step 2. In a small saucepan, scald milk. Add 1 cup butter or margarine, and stir until melted. Remove from heat, and let cool until lukewarm. Step 3. In a mixing bowl, beat 4 eggs and egg yolks with an electric mixer with a paddle attachment. Add sugar and salt, and continue to beat until mixture is thick and pale. Add vanilla, orange-flavored liqueur,
Step 4.
zests, and yeast
Transfer
mixture
dough
to a clean large
Combine.
bowl. Beat in 4
using a
cups
large
flour
wooden spoon
gradually
until the dough pulls
Add
away
milk
and
mixture
stir
alternately with
stick to
remaining
the
4
spoon,
cups flour
about
while
8 to
beating
10
on
minutes.
medium speed.
Transfer dough
Add up
to
to
a
an
large
additional
buttered
1
bowl.
cup
Step
flour
5.
if the dough is sticky.
Butter
Cover
3
with
inches
plastic
in
currants,
pans.
raisins,
Place in a
golden
wooden
raisins
bowl
until dough
and
reaches the
combine 1
top
cup
of the bowl.
flour,
About
4
1
to 2
tablespoons
hours.
butter or margarine,
Punch the dough down,
brown sugar,
recover
and
the
cinnamon to
bowl,
form
and allow to
crumb
rise
topping.
again.
Sprinkle evenly
Step
among the 3
6.
pans. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 7. Punch the dough down again. Turn out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead for 1 minute. Cut into thirds, and transfer dough to prepared pans. Cover loosely with plastic wrap.
Step 8.
Allow to rise to the top
Bake
of
at
pan.
350
Beat
degrees
remaining
Fahrenheit
egg and
until
brush the
golden
top
brown
of the
and
dough.
hollow
Sounding when tapped, about 30 to 45 minutes. Immediately turn out onto a cooling rack so bread does not stick to the pan. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.